everybody, welcome back to my channel, Just Rhea. I am Rhea, and in today's video this is going to be a budget with me. I haven't done one of these before, so this is my first one, so make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. And let's just get into it, you guys. I have my notebook because I kind of want to, let's write in blue, write everything down first, and then I'll transfer it over here. So let's give myself some room. So I'm just going to write down expenses. All right, so under expenses, let's do a line. And I kind of want to do another color now. We're going to make this colorful. Oh, we're going to use black. So we're going to have rent. I should have put it right there. Yeah, do I have white out? Probably not. Okay, we're going to start over. So expenses and then, okay, we have rent, light bill, gas bill, water bill, internet, phone, car note, car insurance. Whew, this is a lot. Let's see. I'm gonna make a separate section for credit cards. All right, so we have a Capital One, FNCC, First Premier. That's all of the credit cards that we have, and then the line of credit. Okay, so we're gonna write the expenses down in red. So rent is gonna be $1,045. Light bill is paid already, so let's label it. So what month is this? February. There we go. I know I'm all over the place, so bear with me, guys. I'm gonna get better. Light bill is gonna be paid. Gas bill. Let's bring out the bill folder. It's paid. It's not due until March. So paid. And actually the rent is paid too, so that's not due until March because it's February 4th. So pretty much, Pixie, pretty much everything is kind of paid. Well, I think the water bill is not paid, so I can write something there. All right, so water bill is $109.08. Internet is $69. Phone is $279. Car note is $388.24. Insurance is how much? $66.30. Okay. Capital One is going to be $25. FNCC is going to be $35. First Premier, I think I want to pay this off, so I'm gonna put two amounts. So it's $318, and we're gonna put pay off. But then we also have the minimum, which is $25. Line of credit, we're just gonna say $70 because I don't know the change amount. So, and then let's do a spot for a personal. I know y'all can't see that, but I can see it. So maybe if I scoot, I can scoot. Oh, don't fall, I'll scoot that over. All right, so personal, and I'm gonna write it in green. So RD is $150. I forgot something right here. And my blue. There it is. Surety bond. Okay, so surety bond is gonna be $95. 87.70. Okay. So let's write down due dates. 2/11, 2/11, 2/15, and this is 218. 25 tomorrow, 228, 210, 227, 211, and 228. Okay, so my total is going to be, let's see what we got. No, I wrote it. 87, 78 plus 69 plus 279 plus 88, 24 plus 66, 30 plus 25 plus 35 plus, I'm gonna just do the 25 plus 70 plus 95 plus 150. So with the 25 payoff, it's 1290.32 minus 25 plus 318. With the payoff is 1583.32. Okay, so this is my February expenses, my budget with me. So I'm gonna transfer everything over here in pen, so just sit tight. So that's paid. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just do the 25. If I change it, I'll let you guys know. But right now it's 1,290.32. So those are my expenses will be 1,290.82. So now that leaves me with the amount that I would have left over to do my envelopes. So I'm gonna go ahead and label my envelopes with y'all, but I'm not gonna put the amounts. I'm gonna have to think those through. I do the envelopes over here. So let's see, tithes, offerings, because it's enough room for them. Gas, groceries, house stuff, kiddos, self-care. Self-care is gonna be bumping this month. I'm telling you. Rita's gonna be bumping this month. Hubby, fur babies, Alex, Niecy, Kayla Wayla, grown-up fun, family outings, miscellaneous. See, I have like literally just enough. Giving and tips. Okay, I'm not going to put anything in sinking funds, but I am going to start some savings challenges this month. So be looking out for those. I know y'all haven't seen me do a cash stuffing video since last year, but it is coming next week. So be ready. But I wanted to start off on the right track with budgeting, you know, writing down my envelope names. And then I have a space for my savings tracker. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing this year so that I can keep track of savings. So I have some fun savings things going on. So stay tuned, you guys. I can't wait to show you. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Make sure you share this video. And if you are not subscribed, if you've reached it to this point of the video, make sure you subscribe. And if you've made it to the point of this video, drop some money bags, something dealing with money in the comment section below. Thank you again for tuning in. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. See ya.